ఇప్పుడు ఇంకొక స్టాల్ అయితే ఉన్నాము బొహ్రా స్క్రీన్స్ అండ్ పెర్ఫోరేటర్స్ వాళ్ళ దగ్గర. సో వాళ్ళని అడిగి డీటెయిల్స్ తెలుసుకుందాము. బేసికల్లీ ఇది వచ్చేసి ఫెన్సింగ్కి సంబంధించింది అనమాట. అండ్ వీళ్ళు ఆర్టిఫిషియల్ గ్రాస్ అలాంటిది కూడా సప్లై చేస్తున్నారు. సో వాళ్ళని అడిగి డీటెయిల్స్ అయితే తెలుసుకుందాము. హాయ్,
హాయ్,
మీ పేరు?
వినీత్ బోరా.
సో చెప్పండి, ఏం ప్రోడక్ట్స్ మీరు సెల్ చేస్తున్నారు, ఏం మ్యానుఫ్యాక్చర్ చేస్తున్నారు?
My company name is Bohra Screens and Perforators. Basically, we are into wire mesh and fencing solutions. In wire mesh, we have like crimped mesh, expanded metals. Can you show?
యా షూర్.
See, we have like basically these are all facade meshes, which are used in building elevation.
ఓకే.
And we have we can do powder coating on that, and we can customize as per client's requirement.
ఎనీ కలర్?
Any color we can do it.
ఓకే.
Apart from that, then our
దిస్
next.
మెటల్ ఇస్?
This is aluminium,
Okay.
GI. We can make it in other metals also. Apart from that, next product is what you see. Is perforated sheets. These are made as per customized requirements. We have square hole, round hole, hexagonal holes, and many other varieties as per food processing industries requirement. These are basically used in food processing industries, furniture industries, and various automobile industries. Basically used for seizing and sieving. We can give these in GI, MS, aluminium, copper, brass, any metals we can give. Even standardized metals called titanium, incunal, which are very rare to find. Even we can customize on that also. And our next product which we are going to show is aluminium perforated sheet, which is basically used as in AC air conditioners, wherever it is being used. And next product is Gabion boxes that you are able to see, which are used on the hilltops and other places to stop the soil erosion and other things.
How much is that thickness?
That is 3.5 mm thickness.
Okay.
And next products are our plastic meshes, HDP plastic meshes. We have at least 80 varieties in that. These are all corrosion resistant. These are all HDP, all pure virgin UV resistant quality. All are weatherproof. Once you put it, at least you will get 8 years of life minimum on that. And coming to the next products, this is our fencing product. This is called as anti-climb mesh. This is used only in defense industries. Specifically, in border areas we have done for Nagaland, Sikkim, and we have also done in Hyderabad also at Sainik Puri. We have installed it. And if you are coming for the next product, yeah, this is called as 3D weld mesh. It's also called as Ongsim mesh. These are all premium quality fencing requirements. Basically, this is the new product. It's called as anti-climb, anti-cut mesh, specifically used in defense industries. We have supplied to many defense industries. We have done for many army and MNCs also. This is specialized mesh which is used specifically in industries. We are done in Sikkim, Nagaland. We have also supplied in Jammu and Kashmir, and in Hyderabad also we have done this fencing for army. And we can. This is our main premium product called as Tree Guard plastic net. We have been supplying this product to various forest departments, sarpanchas for protection of plants. And till day we have supplied almost close to 4 crore tree plants.
Oh, nice.
In our main areas of location is Hyderabad. Apart from Hyderabad, we take up pan South India also we can do. Coming to our next product. This is our main product. This is called as concertina fencing. This is used in majorly for all community centers, industries. Our USP is that apart from supply, we also take up complete turnkey projects where we make the angles, fix it properly, and everything is been covered under our fixing only. Installation is also our part. We have a team of 80 plus members who has been doing pan-India work for installation and supply of concertina coil, chain link fencing. We have facade fencing. We have grass fencing. This is a specialized chain link fencing with grass. This is anti-resistant, anti-fire resistant. Even fire will not hold on it. This is all facade meshes, all perforated sheets. This is Tree Guard. This is stainless steel welded mesh.
So how about the price ranges?
Price ranges is depend upon that the quality and material what you use. If it is basically MS or GI, it starts from 12 rupees per square feet and it goes up to 200 rupees per square feet. And our speciality is that we can customize any product as per client's requirement. And we have been doing this since 19 years.
సో ఈ రోజు అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇక్కడ స్టాల్ అవైలబుల్ ఉంది కాబట్టి పీపుల్ విల్ అప్రోచ్ యూ డైరెక్ట్లీ. సో ఆఫ్టర్ ద స్టాల్ how you have any website or any phone numbers?
We already have a website called www.wiremeshexim.com. My contact number is 92463 77033. Apart from there I already mentioned my QR codes are there and everywhere where it will be linked to website. Other two numbers are also been mentioned over there. And even if you just type it Bohra Screens and Perforators, you will immediately log on to my websites. You can search on the Google, you will be in almost top listing. You will be able to see our reviews. How our
Manufacturing unit is in Hyderabad.
Yeah, we have unit at Hyderabad, we have a unit at Delhi, Calcutta, Chennai, Gujarat and Siliguri. These are all manufacturing units which are managed by our family, entire family.
Throughout Hyderabad you can supply the products, right?
We are supplying Pan India, ma'am, and we do Pan India installation work. Basically from Hyderabad, I have been supplying to Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra, Telangana, Odisha, MP. These are all states we are cover. We have done very good projects, like we have done works for BHEL, we have done for Midani, different industries. We have done for HEL works. And if you seek for automatic segment, we have done for Tata Steel, we have done for Mahindra, and in cement industry, we have done Ultratech, we have done for Vedanta. So any industry you take, we have done work for them. That's it. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో చూసారు కదా, మీరు ఏమైనా ఫెన్సింగ్ కోసం అలా చూసుకోవాలి అని అనుకుంటే ఒకసారి బొహ్రా స్క్రీన్స్ అండ్ పెర్ఫోరేటర్స్ వాళ్ళని కన్సల్ట్ అవుతే మీకు పూర్తి డీటెయిల్స్ అనేది దొరుకుతుంది. సో వాళ్ళ కాంటాక్ట్స్ నెంబర్ కూడా మనకి ఇచ్చారు. సో దానికి కూడా మీరు కాల్ చేస్తే వాళ్ళు మీకు డీటెయిల్స్ అనేది ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఒకసారి